Insane Drummer here today. What's going on? Today we're going to be talking about sticking and spacing. Okay? They're closely related. Now, there's directions in with sticking and spacing on what I'm talking about today. 1, you pick the rudiment. Okay? 2, you set your metronome. I'm going to set it on quarter notes for now. Okay? 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And then you set your spacing, which means whether you want to do eighth notes, quarter notes, 16th notes, whatever, for your spacing. Alright? And then you mess around with that. So, let's review. First you pick your rudiment, then you pick your tempo, then you pick your spacing. Okay? Today, what spacing we're going to be talking about is 16th notes. Now, 16th notes look as... Now, 16th notes are 4 notes per quarter note, okay? 2, 3, 4, okay? So, 16th would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Just do those for now. Just do 16ths. You want to get used to that feel. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1. That's how we count 16th notes. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a, so 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1. Okay? Now after you got used to that, spacing, you pick your rudiment. Remember that was step 1. You pick your rudiment, then you pick your tempo, then you pick your spacing, okay? So that's my tempo. My rudiment's going to be the paradiddle. Alright, my spacing is going to be what we just did, the 16th. Okay, 16th notes. So the paradiddle, let's review, is right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Okay? We're going to be doing it in 16th notes. Okay? So it'd be, first let's do that 16th note pattern. 1, 2, 3, go. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a... You getting used to that feel now? Now let's put the paradiddle with it. Paradiddle, 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 paradiddle. That's a little harder, isn't it? But it's still 4 notes. So if it's nice and even in that spacing, 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1. So let's do an exercise where we go 1 16th singles, okay, and 1 16th paradiddle, okay? 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2. Paradiddles. Singles. Paradiddles. Singles. Paradiddles. You getting the pattern now? Cool. Now see, one thing you gotta remember though, to keep that constant, you want to keep it constant. You want to keep it, okay, you want it to sound the same. You want that to sound the same as this. You want it to be like if somebody looked away from your playing, they couldn't tell the difference between it. The reason is because it's not a different spacing. It's still 16th notes. It's a different sticking. And drummers love to play around with stickings. If I wanted to, I could do doubles here too. Okay? Back to singles. Okay? Diddles. Or doubles. Singles. Paradiddle. And see, it helps your muscles too, because you're sitting there doing this the whole time, but it doesn't get boring because you're changing the sticking. It's not just right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, okay? You can change it up to you can change the dynamics if you want to. Now the main point of changing your sticking is, besides just being fun and a good way to help your endurance, you know, playing drums, okay? On drum set, it has a higher purpose. Okay, if you're playing something on drum set, let's say you're picking spacing and sticking all the time on drum set when you go into a fill, right? You can either do 16th notes singles, or you can do them paradiddles, right? So that's the point. Or you can do diddles either, too. So you could, you know, if I'm going down the toms, you know, be like that'd be like the singles version. If I wanted to do paradiddles, it'd be like, and it's the same spacing and it goes through the same measure. It's just changing up sticking so that you get a different sound out of different drums. It changes the variety up of your playing, okay? Diddles would be like, right? So you could go through a whole bunch of measures and do the same bit of 16th notes with a bunch of different sticking and a bunch of different rudiments in the same fill. Now I cheated. I put some sextuples in there, okay? But it's all about dividing the beat into different sections. We've been dividing the beat into 4, okay? I'll put up more videos telling you how to divide the beat into 6, okay, into 8, the 3, 2, you know, and 1. Dividing the beat into 1 is easy because it's just the beat, okay? So if you did this on 1, that would be singles, okay? Paradiddle would be okay. Now if I go back to 16th notes, 4 for beat, it changes it up completely, doesn't it? Singles, paradiddles, singles, paradiddles. Okay? So the whole idea of this lesson was to get out of it that rudiments are not only something that you have to learn because you have to learn them. They're stickings that help you on the drums in the first place to move around in a variety of creative and interesting ways, more than just singles going down the drum set, okay? And you can decide all day what spacing you want to put that at. Quarters, eighths, sixteenths, you know, whatever spacing you want to put it at. Thanks for watching, and watch for more lessons. See ya.